When you come to a conference, you want to walk away with some great ideas. Today, Rajiv and I are going to share with you Boomtown and KV Core and Inside Real Estate's Unite event, what we took away.
Hey, we are in Charleston, so this is a special episode with Jamie Burgess and I, and we're at the Inside Real Estate's KV Core and Boomtown Unite conference, and we want to share our key takeaways, right, Jimmy? We got a lot of takeaways.
Hey, it's been great. I mean, this is what's fun about this is we've been able to get together with a group of agents, team leaders, brokers, owners from different brands, different parts of the country, and really get a feel for some of the things that are working right now. And that's what we're excited to share with you guys, are some of the insights that we've taken away this week, and hopefully that you didn't have to make the trip to Charleston, but you get to take the advantage of all of the things that we've learned.
Yeah. So the first takeaway for me is bringing social back into social media and really creating content that builds curiosity among your clients. And asking questions on social media for responses and responding to them and really playing the algorithm. That's my first takeaway. What's your takeaway too, Jamie?
Yeah, I would say, we got to spend some time. We just left lunch with David Childers from Keeping Current Matters. One of the things that he drove home and always drives home is to be the local market expert and to have a professional opinion on where things are. You know, as we were sitting there talking, he was talking about the fact that the agent that has the ability to provide the information at the highest level possible will be that person that will create the most confidence and also will give people the ability to make the best decision for their family. So I think coming out of this, it was, sometimes we don't need to be taught, we need to be reminded. And that was a big reminder that I've taken away and that I'm going to just kind of double down on with our agents and with everything that I try to do as well.
Yeah, so takeaway number 3, we were in Tom Ferry's session this morning,
Yeah.
And he talked a lot about being able to articulate your value and telling a story with a transaction. So if you have it just sold, just don't post it just sold. Tell us why it's sold. What was your expertise that brought that to the table, and really generate leads for other listings. And he gave us one example that somebody built a nice little landing page and told a story about why that listing sold, and they got like 37 listing appointments from it.
Yeah. And another takeaway from Tom that I liked was, his whole theme was when you're squeezed, what comes out? And he talked about, the fact that, and he said a little different language than I'll use, but he basically said, when you get squeezed, what is it that comes out? And he said there's basically 2 types of agents: those that complain, I'll use that, those that complain, and those that make all the money. And ultimately, those that make all the money are the ones that are finding opportunities to actually be out there and find the details on how they can serve at a higher level. Now, one of the things that he talked about also is when you're thinking from a standpoint of what is this season, and most people are going to put their head in the sand, that this is the time to have the opportunity, really, to take your business to the next level. And so if you accelerate when everybody else is slowing down, you're going to create some separation, as we've talked about in the past. And that was one of my key takeaways. Again, as a reminder that, listen, what is it that you do under pressure? How do you react? Do you become calm, or do you become worried and fearful and you panic? When you become that person who is calm, that understands exactly what you should be doing and adds more value, everything else takes care of itself.
And it is a real estate AI flash, so we got to give an AI tip,
Yes,
right, Jimmy,
yes.
before we finish. So the thing that I'm noticing a lot of is all the tech, and we're obviously at the Inside Real Estate Conference, CRMs, a lot of them are getting smarter with AI, helping agents get decisions done faster with AI. So AI is coming a lot closer to all the devices we're going to use, and before you know it, you're going to have an assistant in your pocket that you just have to activate.
Yeah, that was one of those things. And also, I think, thinking from a CRM perspective, since we're here, one of the things, whether it be KV Core or Boomtown or BT Pro, any of those that they have the ability that when it tracks what people click on, the types of properties, the artificial intelligence goes and looks for what is the newest property that matches most like the properties they've looked at. It just kind of puts together a view. And then that next day, before it sends an automated property, it's going to let them know which one is most like it that was either new to the market or had a price reduction. So it's actually, every time someone does something on the CRM, it really puts you in the position to give better information because it's making you look better and better. I'll use this as an example. We do a lot of it like a re-engagement text with some of these folks that maybe have been receiving these property details. We can see they're on the website, but maybe they haven't done it. And we like to send them that re-engagement text that basically says, hey, just want to make sure that you're receiving the right information you want. We don't want to overwhelm you, but we want to make sure we're getting you what you need. Should we make any adjustment to the time, to the to the type of properties we're sending, as well as maybe the frequency of the emails.
Yeah.
And it's amazing how many times they come back and say, no, it seems like it's getting better and better. It is. It actually is getting better. So that's what we're seeing is as I'm leaving here, I'm leaving more inspired, more excited. In the midst of everything that's going on in this business, there will be winners. And as we come away from Unite, this was a Unite experience for me, I'm more excited than ever to see what this business has in store in the coming years for the professional agents. Anything else you want to add as we wrap up?
And if you're ever in Charleston, go to Hall's Chop House, and it's the best steak ever.
Yeah.
So give it a whirl.
You didn't leave a single bite on your plate.
No, my plate was empty.
I know. That's great.
Including yours.
I know, yes, true. All right, listen, we hope you guys got some value out of this. Make sure you go out and give us a review. Helps us spread the message that we're all stronger together. We'll talk to you guys soon.